Hi everybody, how you doing? Right. Something that's got not only me, but some, not you lot, but my friends confused. See, it's a little thing we have between me, Amy, and Beth, and Pippa and that lot.
Microsoft Messenger leads your...
BLB. It's between me, Beth, Amy, Pippa, Connor, everybody. We're confused. Well, not confused, but, you know. You know when somebody tells a bad joke, and then somebody does this, somebody does it. They go, what do they do? Do they do this? Ba-dum-ch. Or, ba-dum-bum-ch. What do you think it is? Again, ba-dum-ch or ba-dum-bum-ch. I'm confused, because me personally, I think it's ba-dum-ch. As it should be. Ba-dum-ch. But everybody else thinks it's ba-dum-bum.
Excuse me, Microsoft...
Do you like that talking as well? Changed it. That's in another video. Quick preview that was. So yeah, just post video response. Video response, please. No comments or PM me. PM? What? Or whatever. Just video response it, right? Yeah? Is it ba-dum-ch or ba-dum-bum-ch? So, 2 ba-dum or 3 ba-dum-bum? What is it? Just... So I'm gonna ask people at school. Find out what it is. So, yeah.